So we're in the garage right now in Savannah. We're gonna go and check out Savannah today and give you a bit of a walking tour of Savannah. We're gonna get something to eat because we're pretty hungry. You notice anything different? Missy, do you notice anything different?
Yeah.
I just had a $50 haircut. Oh my God! Well, where are we going? Over here. $50 it cost me, Missy.
I know.
That's highway robbery.
Well,
When the same haircut in Shiloh, in Sebring was like $20 with the tip. So one thing about Hilton Head, everything's very expensive. Level 3. All right, so you're in Savannah, Missy.
I know.
So the last time we were here, which was a couple weeks ago now, it was raining crazy, eh?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So we never got out. So now we're actually getting out and walking around and seeing all the... and we're going to be back here on Thursday.
Yeah.
So we're doing that boat cruise to Savannah.
Yeah.
So we're going to come back again. So this is the Moon River Beer Company.
Yeah.
Right downtown Savannah. You can even get t-shirts here, Missy.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a pretty neat little place. We're waiting for a table. Missy and I enjoyed our lunch at the Moon River Brewing Company in Savannah. It's right in the heart of the tourist district. And one of the things we picked up on their website was the forecast calls for 100% chance of beer drinking weather. Well, that's an awesome place for us to go and have lunch. And talk about lunch. Lunch was amazing. And what we love about Moon River is it's really calm. It's it's an inviting environment. The service was great. And we highly recommend it to anyone going downtown Savannah or into the tourist area of Savannah for a bite to eat. All right, we got their in-house made Pilsner. So it's and Missy, it's a real pint glass.
Yeah.
So, although it wasn't all the way filled to the top like you get in Europe or New England. But let's check it out. All right, Missy, what do you got there?
Sourdough, bacon, and cheese and tomato.
So there's grilled cheese.
Yeah, with bacon and tomato.
And I got their burger. Look, I'm not a fan of the big leafy lettuce though. But the next size tomato, anyways. So this burger was $12, and that was the same price I paid for a burger at Five Guys.
Yeah.
So,
And that was much better.
this one looks a lot better. Yeah. Well, that didn't last very long. Hey, you're still chowing down on yours though.
Yeah.
Let's see the inside of that. I love guilty. So what are your thoughts on Moon River?
It's pretty good.
$38 all in with a tip with a beer.
Yeah.
Compared to $50 at Five Guys the other day.
Yeah.
So I think I know where I would rather come.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna wander around Savannah here and see what else, other cool things we can look at. All right, we're on our fridge magnet hunt.
There's a whole bottle of bacon.
Yeah, but I don't like the fun ones like that.
Oh.
I want something that says Savannah.
Okay. There's Savannah.
Oh, that one.
Sure.
That work for you?
Yeah.
Savannah is the oldest city in the state of Georgia, dating all the way back to 1733. It's located in Chatham County in the southern part of the state of Georgia. And did you know this? With its close proximity to the Savannah River, Savannah quickly became a transportation hub and strategic port city during the American Revolution and the American Civil War. According to the 2020 census, Savannah has a population of 148,000 people, give or take one or two. It is the 5th largest city in the state of Georgia and 185th largest city in the United States. Its metro area is about 405,000, and they are in the Eastern time zone.
All right, so if you're looking for a place if you like taverns and pubs and all that good stuff, Savannah seems to be the place to come.
Seems to be like lots of taverns and pubs here, eh, Missy?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's pretty right up my alley. Don't we like visiting taverns and pubs, don't we? Yeah. So, all right, we're wandering around here on the main road here. What road is this that we're wandering on? Hey, we're wandering on a road in Savannah. We'll get the street sign here in a second. All right, Missy, so I just found out this is Bay Street that we're walking on in Savannah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're just walking up and down Bay Street here, checking out all the sights. I'm sure there's more to see, but right now we're just walking up and down Bay Street. The East Bay Inn was built in 1852 and it's right in the center of downtown Savannah, in the historic district. Puts it easy access to everything that Savannah has to offer, and in 2022, TripAdvisor awarded it one of its Traveler's Choice Awards. All right, so now we made our way onto Bryant Street, and one of the cool things about Bryant Street is every once in a while they have these parks, kind of just every few blocks. With different, like that one was Warren Square. I know there's a Washington Square and a Lincoln Square. So all these little parks nestled on Bryant Street here. And it's hot today. And we're doing Missy's favorite thing, which is pointless wandering around. I think I might just title the video, Pointless Wandering Around Savannah.
Yeah.
You know, the Lake Sumter one did really well.
I know.
The pointless wandering around Lake Sumter. So we're doing one of Missy's favorite things right now. We're just wandering around.
Yes.
With no...
Pointless wandering.
Pointless wandering. Yeah, we call this one Pointless Wandering Around Savannah. I wonder if we'll get the same, the same viewership. All right, well, we're gonna keep pointless wandering around Savannah here. Lots of cool old architecture as well. I'm gonna see if I can highlight some of that. Down the stairs here to River Street now, and I think that goes by the river, Missy. River Street makes sense, right? Does make sense. Yeah, gotta keep an eye on where I'm walking. River Street now in Savannah, wandering around here, doing our pointless wandering down here. Oh, Missy found something that caught her attention. Stopped by the Ye Old Tobacco Shop here in Savannah, right on River Walkway there. And Missy's got a nice little surprise.
Yeah, Canadian cigarettes.
Woohoo! She's got Canadian smokes, everyone. She's a happy lady.
Well, I was running short.
It worked out well. Now when we come back here on Thursday, we can come back and get some more.
Yeah.
If you like those are the ones that you can.
Those are the ones I used to smoke.
If you can tolerate those ones.
Yeah, we'll see.
The old City Exchange bell, believed to be one of the oldest in the state of Georgia, bears the date of 1802, and it was imported from Amsterdam, where it hung in the cupola of the City Exchange from 1804 until the date that building was destroyed to make way for the present City Hall. In its day, the bell signaled the closing time of shops and was rung by a watchman when fire broke out in Savannah. In its rich tones, they believe the celebration of American victories can be heard from the War of 1812. The Savannah Cotton Exchange was established in 1876 to allow cotton producers the ability to bring their product to markets in New York and London. The Cotton Exchange went out of business in 1951. The Washington Guns are located just east of City Hall in Savannah. They are a quiet reminder of the many explosive conflicts that the U.S. faced during the Revolutionary War. Oh. We're back in the car, as you can tell.
That was hot.
It was hot out there, wasn't it? All right, so we're back in the car. We're gonna go and find. What time is it?
Back in the car.
It's only
call William Matar.
It's only 20 after 2. So we gotta find another place to go.
Yeah.
We don't have to, but
no.
All right, we're gonna go and see what else we can find here in Savannah. So, Missy, one of the little tricks that we've learned over the years, in the year of us doing full-time RVing, is wherever you go, get the local gas club card. Like, I don't know where Parker's are, but obviously here in Hilton Head, Savannah, maybe Myrtle Beach, you never know, right?
Maybe.
We'll be able to use that here and save 10, 20, almost up to $1 off of gas. Depending on how much we spend at Parker's. Yeah. So you're spending money on this stuff anyway, so why not use it? And the other one we have is our Kroger's card, of course. Mm-hmm. We can't use that in Florida because there's not too many Kroger's. Was there a Kroger's in... No, there wasn't a Kroger's in Sebring, right? No, there wasn't.
No.
So that's just a couple that we have. Of course, we use the Kroger's at Hilton Head, and we use and
Sam's Club.
Sam's Club too, yeah.
We like Sam's Club.
But Sam's Club you have to pay for.
Mm-hmm.
$4.29 a gallon here.
Hot out.
And it's hot outside.
Lots of water.
Yes. Okay, we're on our way. Well, welcome to Interstate 95. Yeah. Welcome to Interstate 95, Missy. You know why it gets like this? Because in Georgia, it's 3 lanes.
Yeah.
And as soon as you cross the state line into South Carolina, it goes down to 2 lanes.
Yeah.
So you gotta get all these cars into 2 lanes.
Yeah.
That's why it gets all bungled up like this. All right, everyone, we're stopped here at the South Carolina Welcome Center on Interstate 95, just as you come across into South Carolina from Georgia. And we didn't stop here on the way in a few weeks ago when we were coming up here. So I said, hey, what the hell? Let's stop now. Right?
Yeah. Got a pretty name.
Got a pretty what name thing?
Magazine.
Oh, pretty magazine. All right, that was a nice stop at the Welcome Center of South Carolina. Missy's got a schwack of magazines to look at, and yeah, we just thought we'd swing by here because we didn't stop on the way through here when we were coming up originally. So, hey, what the heck? Let's stop now and see what we get. And traffic's all backed up on Interstate 95, so we're not going anywhere. So might as well stop and check things out. All right, I'm gonna go back in the car because it's hot out here. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed this edition of Three Dogs in an RV. Once again, I'm Stuart.
Missy.
And stay tuned for our next video because we have something pretty exciting going on. We're going actually back to where we were in this video, but a different way. All right, we'll see you soon.